Hello! To change wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to press and hold your home screen button, and right here you have wallpaper and style. You simply just press it, and right here you change wallpapers. Here you have some featured wallpapers, some pictures from your gallery, and some other pictures that are all available. So you simply just select your picture, and as you can see, you can choose if you want your if you want your wallpaper to be on home screen or a lock screen, simply just by selecting it. Then you press next, and here you have a preview of how it would look like on the lock screen, and here you can select to take a look at how it would look like on your home screen. If you don't like your wallpaper, you simply just press wallpapers on the left top corner, and you can change your wallpaper. If you like your wallpaper, you simply just press done. Simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.